Yes, Tesla's vehicle referral program is active as of December 6, 2025. This program lets you earn credits when friends buy a Tesla using your referral link. We'll cover the basics of eligibility, credit structure, and how to maximize savings on Tesla products and services. To earn credits, share your personalized referral link from the Tesla app or website. When a referred friend completes their Tesla purchase, you get rewarded with credits. Current Tesla owners are eligible to refer others. The referees must be first-time Tesla buyers or those purchasing a different model to qualify. You can earn up to $1,000 in credits for each successful vehicle referral, plus an additional $200 if they activate a supercharger account. These credits are redeemable in the Tesla ecosystem. To make the most of the program, redeem your credits toward Tesla shop items, software upgrades, or even new vehicle purchases. This helps you save money while growing the Tesla community. Tesla's referral program is a customer-to-customer marketing initiative. Existing Tesla owners, called referrers, share personalized referral links. When a new customer, called a referee, uses the link to purchase a qualifying Tesla vehicle, like the Model 3, Model Y, Model S, or Model X, the referrer earns credits for their successful referral. Let's explore who can participate in Tesla's referral program. To be a referrer, you must be a Tesla account holder who has already taken delivery of your vehicle. This ensures referrers have first-hand experience with their Tesla. To be a referee, the person receiving the referral, you must be a first-time Tesla buyer or someone purchasing a different model than what you currently own. This helps ensure the program reaches new customers and expands Tesla's community. However, there are some exclusions to be aware of. The program does not apply to used vehicles, the Cybertruck, or certain fleet and corporate purchases. These exclusions help maintain the program's focus on new vehicle sales. The amount of credits you can earn through Tesla's referral program varies by model and type. For vehicle referrals, you can earn up to $1,000 per successful referral, with potentially higher amounts for premium models like the Model S and Model X. You might also receive additional credits of around $200 if the person you referred activates a supercharger account within Tesla's network. Credits are applied after the vehicle delivery is completed. You can then redeem these credits for various Tesla products, services, or accessories through the Tesla app or website. Important limitations to remember. Credits expire within 3 to 6 months if not used, and they cannot be transferred to others or cashed out for money. In 2021, when Tesla relaunched its referral program in the US, it had a significant impact. Referrals accounted for about 20% of all new vehicle deliveries during that period, helping Tesla maintain sales momentum despite supply chain challenges. In Europe, Tesla expanded the referral program to Germany in 2024, where it helped boost Model Y sales by 15% in regional markets. A Berlin-based owner referred 3 colleagues, each earning $1,000 in credits, contributing to stronger local adoption. As a pilot program in Australia from 2023 to 2024, Tesla saw a 25% uplift in qualified leads from referrals for Model 3 and Model Y. This success demonstrated the program's effectiveness in new markets and led to broader adoption. Overall, Tesla's referral program has facilitated over 1 million vehicle referrals globally since 2020, with an average value of $1,200 per successful referral. These credits can be redeemed for upgrades, accessories, or future purchases, creating real financial benefits for participants. Referral programs in the EV industry are becoming more common. Competitors like Volkswagen and Nissan are launching similar schemes to encourage word-of-mouth promotion. Tesla is integrating AI into referral links to suggest optimal referees. This technology analyzes user data to create personalized recommendations for who might be interested in referrals. The program is expanding globally. Starting from the US in 2019, Tesla's referral program now operates in over 30 countries worldwide. Some programs are evolving to include environmental incentives. Tesla and others are adding bonuses for referrals that result in carbon offset purchases, aligning with sustainability goals. Expect Tesla to refine the program with blockchain-based tracking for transparency and fraud prevention. There may also be potential integration with full self-driving subscriptions, increasing referral values. Stay updated on Tesla's referral program terms and conditions, as they can change. Share your referral link strategically with potential Tesla buyers. Consider the timing of your referrals, as Tesla may offer limited-time bonuses. Explore different redemption options to maximize the value of your credits. Check Tesla's app or website for the latest details and incentives.